welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food and Fashion. What we are doing today is Kelewele. Kelewele is spiced ripe plantain, and it's normally a street food in Ghana, and it's really nice. I think everybody in Ghana likes Kelewele. I don't know the one doesn't like Kelewele. It's really nice. So this is what we are doing, and I'm doing Nanaaba's recipe because I found that to be really nice. So I'm trying it out, and this is what we are doing. So let's get started. So guys, we have our ripe plantain. The first thing we need to do is to try and cut our ripe plantain. It's not supposed to be too ripe. This, I put it in the fridge, so that's why you see it as dark like that, but it's not that ripe. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how to cut this delicious spiced plantain recipe that we normally have in Ghana. So I've taken the peel off, and then what I do is I cut them into two like that. Okay, and then I divide it into two, cut it into two, and just cut them like big chunks like that. So I'll do the same thing to this part, and then you cut it big chunks. It's the same thing, so it's quite easy to do. And then cut it into two, and then big chunks. The same thing with that, and then cut it into chunks. So this is what I'm using. So I've cut about 3 of them. I have 3 ripe plantain, and I've cut them into this shape, and then I'm going to spice it. Right guys, so this is Nanaaba's recipe that I'm trying to do, because most of the time when I do this Kelewele, it doesn't really taste nice like the ones we normally buy, because it's a popular street food in Ghana. So when I do it, doesn't really taste like that. So I just look on the internet, and I know Nanaaba's recipe, so let me just try Nanaaba's recipe and see how it goes. I think that it will be lovely. So I've tried to get the ingredients. So the ingredients I do have, we have used only onion, but I'm using the red onions. Okay, and I have 3 calabash nutmeg, which is normally popular in Ghana, not the normal nutmeg that we used to bake. And then I have 5 grains of selim, so normally we call it whentia in Ghana. And then I have some ginger, so you can use a thumb-sized ginger. And then what Nanaaba used, she used roasted dry red chilies, but I really don't have the roasted dry chilies, so I'm using the scotch bonnet. It's really hot, and I like it hot. And also I don't have the cardamom pod that she used, but I'm trying this, so I hope that it will be lovely. So let's get started. So the next thing what I need to do is to try and put the ingredients together. So this is the dry ingredient. This is the first time I'm using this type of nutmeg, trying to make sure I break all of them into pieces. Yeah, and then I add the whentia, which is and then I add the crushed black pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying to grind this thing a bit on my earthenware pot, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Right guys, so I have already grinded the dry ingredients, and I put them there. So I'm going to try and grind the other ingredients. I don't want to use a blender because I don't want to add water to it, and this is the perfect way for doing it, for not, if you don't want to use a blender. We try and grind all these together. Oh, it smells so good. I like scotch bonnet because it smells really good. And if you don't want it to be more spicy, that is the ginger I've put in. If you don't want it to be more spicy, just use about 1 scotch bonnet if that's what you prefer. But I like it more spicier, so that's why I'm using that. going to add the onions. So what I'm going to do is to just try and make sure that it's smoothly done before I add it to the ripe plantain. So guys, I've grounded the ingredients, so I'm going to add, this is the dry one that I did first, I'm adding it to it. I did add a bit of salt to taste, so it's up to your preference. Okay, add a bit of, just about maybe half a teaspoon of salt, or even a quarter. So I've mixed it nicely. So what I'm going to do is to add the ripe plantain. Okay, so what I'm mixing them up, and then you have to leave it for about 30 minutes so that at least it's like marinating the ripe plantain. So you leave it for about 30 minutes and then we'll fry it. All right, it's mixed nicely. Right guys, so it's been 30 minutes, so we want to fry the kelewele. I've put some oil on fire and I think it's hot, so let's try and put that in. Now I have to make sure you don't stir it, just put it in, and then after a while then you stir it so that the spices will not fall away when you stir it. So just wait a bit before you stir it. Ah, it smells so good. So we just wait for it to cook a while before we stir it, so that the spices will go onto the ripe plantain. Right guys, so you can see that the plantain has come to the top. So I'm trying to just stir it a bit and just wait for it to cook. It smells really good. I tell you, this recipe Nanaaba is good. I can't wait for it to cook and to have it. Guys, as you can see, this is our kelewele, which is spiced ripe plantain. It's very nice. You can take it with peanut. I have this peanut in the middle, and then you can serve it to any other person. It's really nice, and this is Nanaaba's recipe, and I tell you, this is the right recipe for kelewele. It smells really good and it tastes like the one in Ghana, so I'm really happy with it. So well done, Nanaaba. This one, I'm happy with this recipe, and I would like to do it more and more. So if you I don't know whether you know Nanaaba's channel, you can go and check it out. It has nice and very nice recipes that you can follow. So please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of it. Thanks for watching.